How to log in to Canva.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Canva account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Canva.com. And on the top right, you have two options. If you are new, you can sign up for a new account, and if you already have an account, just tap on login. And if you have previously logged in with your account, it will ask you to continue with that, or if you want to log in with another account, just tap on login with another account, then choose whatever account that you want to sign into. I'm just going to choose my Google account here. And once you have chosen your account, you can simply go ahead and tap on continue. And now Canva will send you a authentication code on your email. So once you enter the authentication code, you should be able to easily log into your account, and all of your projects will be visible right here on the home screen. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.